So I don't think I've ever actually formally learned how to draw a proper face. Like, all those proper guidelines and stuff. Didn't take any art classes, art courses, none of that. I have yet to learn the proper way, but I've actually been freehand drawing since I was younger, when I was just drawing for fun, doodling for fun. I think at this point I've developed like an easy way for me to freehand draw any face with a reference picture, of course. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my freehand drawing. It's actually pretty simple, very easy. It may or may not work for you, but I would just like to share it so that you guys can try it as well. Let's get to the video. Oh, by the way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
I'm currently working on a commission piece with 7 people in it. I'll be using this piece as an example for this tutorial. First step, make sure your reference photo is in front of you. If you don't have one, that's totally fine. And then draw an oval that kind of resembles the face shape. The next step is just drawing the center line. Make sure it's tilting in the direction it's supposed to be tilted. For this face, it's tilting a little bit to the right. This one is a little more centered, and then this one is tilting more to the left. Next step is the horizontal thirds. Now for most faces, I realized that the face is divided into 3 equal parts most of the time. So this is the hairline to the eyebrows, then the eyebrows to the nose, and then the nose to the chin. Now make sure that your horizontal lines are 90 degrees perpendicular to the middle line that you just did. If you don't do this, then it'll look very wonky. The next step is already the eyes, the nose, and the mouth lines. I'm going to show you guys how I measure them. So let me show you guys how to do the eyes, the nose, and the mouth lines. The eyes are basically cut into thirds as well. So you have one eye here and then another eye here. It's 3 equal parts once again. It's like having an eye in the middle of the 2 eyes. Now for the nose, so you can see the nose is right here, but it's usually also as wide as an eye. So that's how it is. Now for the mouth, pretend you have like the middle dot here, just in the middle of the eyes. That's probably where the pupils are. Now the pupils, if you put a line all the way down, that's where the corner of the mouth is. It's also the same for this side. So now you know where the corners of the mouth are, you can draw the mouth, and that's basically it. So those are actually the only guidelines I use. Now at this point, we're going to do the details. This is the part where you actually have to look at your reference picture. And with the help of your guidelines, you can now draw the details more accurately instead of just guessing where to put them. Now this is basically the last step for the drawing portion. Similar to the previous step, you're going to have to just freehand this while looking at your reference picture. Once you have like enough practice and experience, you'll basically know how most face shapes look like, and then you're able to just draw them a lot faster and more accurately. As you can see here, I'm just using a paint pen just for you guys to see the drawing more clearly. It also helps if you're painting as well, if you do it with a paint pen before painting, because then you'll be able to see the details more clearly and then it doesn't just get covered by paint. If you're painting this drawing and you're not really happy with the accuracy just yet, then you could solve it while you're painting, so don't worry too much. Okay, now obviously if you're not painting and you're just drawing this, then go ahead and do all the shading and whatever else you do for the drawing. But if you're painting, then you can watch what I'm doing here. I also did a skin tones mixing tutorial, which I will link up in this video so that you guys can see how I mix my colors and then in what order I usually do them in. But if you just want to watch how I do it in this video, then go ahead, you can watch what I'm doing right now. As a bonus, I'd just like to show you guys the entire process by doing it on a different face on this painting, just so you guys can see how it looks like when you do it without any interruptions. guys would like to see the finished family painting, this one with 7 people, then please look out for our next video. It'll be uploaded in the next few days, so make sure you turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss it. Basically, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, then please just comment them down below. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.